project is Green Hut. What we are trying to do is create a device that can have environmental sensors and health sensors to monitor the effects of climate change and pollution on local environments and individuals living in it. If you look at our circuit right here, we have an Arduino ESP32 Nano connected to a screen along with multiple sensors that reads data from the environment and feeds that onto a website that's hosted locally on the device and hosted on a website. As you can see right here, we have a GPS module that can get the location of the animal and or where the sensor is, accelerometer to measure movement, along with a light sensor that can measure the effects of light pollution, water level sensor to measure increasing water levels due to climate change and the melting of the ice, along with a heartbeat sensor that can be used to track the health of the person and the individual wearing it. Our goal with this device is to really try and understand the impacts of pollution. So say, for example, a factory has a new device that say a factory is created in a city that starts to emit a bunch of pollution. We're going to study the effects of the local population by customizing what sensors we use on this device and by measuring what behaviors that device measures in the individuals in it. As you can see right here, this is the website that is hosted on the ESP32. We have two current modes that is operating in. First is the environmental monitoring mode. We are assuming that the device is stationary and we are just using the environmental sensors, measuring humidity, temperature, GPS location, etc. This would be a good example of, say, we just strapped the device on a tree. The next is the health monitoring system. So say, for example, we are measuring the heartbeat, body temperature, along with GPS location, a bunch of other factors related to the individual wearing it and their health. Also, say, for example, a factory is right here.
What if you stick